December is coming, and this might mean you want to do some festive activities with your students. Let's look at 3 low to no prep activities you can do in your lesson. Activity 1, Santa's sack. Bring in a large bag, or a bin bag will do. Have students bring in different objects and place them into the sack, but be careful not to let the other students see the items. Then have students take it in turns to put their hand into the sack and to describe what they feel. For example, a cold object. It's hard. It feels like liquid. It makes a sound. You can simply elicit adjectives, or you could elicit phrases depending on the CEFR level of your students. You could do this as a whole class activity, or you could get individual sacks to have students work together in groups to describe what they feel. Activity 2, pin the nose on Rudolph. Print off a large photo of a reindeer, but remove the nose. If you're struggling to find an image like this, you could either hand draw it, although I'm not an artist, so I wouldn't be able to do this, or you can use an AI image generation tool like ELTcpd, for example. Pin it onto the wall, blindfold one of the students, and have students work as a class to direct where to pin the nose. This is really good for eliciting prepositions such as up, down, left, and right. Although this activity might work better with younger learners or primary learners, you could try it with any age of learner as a fun filler or warmer activity to your class. The third and final activity is called Google Santa Tracker. Now at this time of year, Google provides lots of different free games that you could play online and get your students to play. For example, in pairs to tell their partner where to go, so up, down, left, right, or drop. Or you could have students simply say what they had to dodge when they were delivering their presents. So as you can see, sweets, birds, and things dropping from the sky. For more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.